Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Samsung 255L Direct Cool Single Door 4-star refrigerator. First, I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 255 liters, compressor type, digital inverter compressor, performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. In addition to that, we get base stand with drawer for storing items that doesn't need cooling, for example onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, user manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type top freezer, compressor type digital inverter compressor. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 20,890 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.